Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Akila binti Muhammad Saiti. So for this mindnet, I have built my map for two topics, which is the first one is the body organization, and the second one is topic 6, plant structure. So in this mind map, I have included some subtopics that most students do not understand. They do not understand, take a long time to understand, and easy to forget, and cannot be achieved through memorization and reading alone. So for example, I emphasize the process of homeostasis and important info for each system in body organization, in the human body organization. For the topic plant structure, I emphasize the process of transpiration, and also some theories that involve in both process. So software that I used to build this mind map, I used two different mind map, which is the first one is SMI and the second one is my master software. Based on my assessment, SMI software was more easier to use because the templates that have been provided are simpler and easy to understand than the templates that provide from the My Master, because at the SMI I saw the arrangement and how the apps can make a relationship between the process. The process is more clear and easy to understand. So lastly, I'm very confident and I hope this mind map that I have been built can be used as a material for last minute study and can replace the existing lecture notes, especially when facing the final exam. Me as a student also feels that this mind map will be easier for students to understand for both topics. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. So I'll be discussing about my topic, which is digestive system. And for this topic, I'm choosing a tree map that I'm downloaded from a software or an app called XMind. For me, that app XMind is very convenient and easy to handle, so that I'm choosing the apps to create my maps for the purpose of my study. So for digestive system here, I'm choosing a tree map. For this tree map, there's a 4 section that I'm divided this topic, and each section that has more segments and explanation that I'm already summarized it to the very pack and only the important things that I need to highlight. As you can see here, subtopics that is pitch in color, pitch box. There's intracellular and extracellular digestion, and their segments. I'm divided to 2 segments, and the explanation, also the stage of digestion. I'm divided to 4 segments: ingestion, digestion, absorption, excretion, and also the explanation too. And for human digestive system, there's a flow here. And for the last but not least organ of human digestive system, I'm divided to 7 parts or segments, which is each segment has their own explanation and more parts. And from here, I think that every student must have a better understanding to this mind map, because it is more light, more tidy, and more efficient. Based on this mind map, I believe that every student may have a lot more passion and interest towards these subjects, and they have easier understanding to this topic, because a mind map really provides us a very helpful notes that we can make ourselves. So without reading notes, so many slides, so we can make our own mind map. So that's all for this digestive system. Moving on to the next topic, which is respiratory system. And for this topic, as you can see, I'm also using the same apps, which is Xmind, and for these apps I'm choosing a brace map to explain my full topic. And as you can see here, for this brace map, I'm also divided to 4 sections or parts, which is human, animals, plant cell, and methods of breeding. So it's more tidy and more efficiently sorted. So it's easier to every student like me to read and to understand the flow of this map. As you can see, human, there's 2 sections here: human respiratory tract and lungs, internal and external exchange of gases, and there's more section, and it is colorful, so it's very interesting to read, and we are not getting bored of reading notes over and over because it is so pretty and colorful. It attracts us to read more, and it's very helpful for every student. Also for the animals, I'm also divided to 2, and also the explanation and more segments and their flows right here. And also to the plant cells, there's 2 segments, an explanation, more parts and parts, and for me this is really helpful. So by using my map, like this map Xmind, it's very useful and very helpful to students to understand more and study more about their topic for their course. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nagar Binti Jafri. My matrix number is E2019102356. Okay, for the assignment, we have to create a mind map for the topic that we choose. Okay, I choose circulatory system and muscular system. Okay, mind map is a learning ways to elaborate our topic. Okay, we can add many explanation about the topic because we can add many branch for the topic. We can this is a circular system, the mind map of circular system. There are many branch that I added on the mind map. So we can say the first branch, second branch, third branch, fourth, 5, and 6, 7. Okay, we can add many branch that we want. Okay, I use my mind apps to create this mind map. So this is my mind map for circular system. This is a big mind map because there are many branch that I add on this mind map because there are many explanation that I want to add on the mind map. So this is an example for the muscular system, the mind map of muscular system is, and this circular system. So mind map is a good ways to for to memorize something topic that's harder because these ways can easier to us understand about the topic because the mind map have have a simple explanation and a simple point for the points for the topic. We can add a simple point so we can more easy to understand the point that hard to memorize. Okay, this way also can easy to for the last minute student because we does not have to read a slide, a lecture slide. They have many slides that we want to memorize to read because it's more complex point. So for this way, they have a simple point that we easy to uh, easy to memorize and easy to know about the topic. So these apps easy to use because we can have many branch with mine because there does not have a limit for the branch. So many explanation we can add on the topic. So if the my might have a more branch, so many explanation and example that we can add. So we can know many thing about the topic. So this and this muscular system. So this okay. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Faziatul Akmal binti Zakaria. My meeting number is 2019102347. So today I want to present about my math. So I chose topic 7, which is photosynthesis, and another one is topic 8, reproduction in animal. So before I want to start present about this my math, so I want to let me know to introduce what I use a software or application to complete this my math. So I use is my master to complete my math because for me my master application is very good and is easy to handle too, and it have very many templates to do this my math. So before we start to do this my math, we must to download this application from App Store. So open the App Store and then we type my master, and then it come off the symbol that look like infinity MF shape symbols. So download when it come off that symbol, and then you download this application, and then you open up, and then you can see all many templates that you can use to complete the my math. So I choose for this my math is bubble math template. So why I choose bubble math template? Because for me to complete the topic 7, which is photosynthesis my math. So I first you open this template, you can see is the main topic. So I choose the main topic is from subtopic the photosynthesis, which is hard for me to understand and then to memorize. So I choose the covering circle because why the lecturer to explain this topic, this subtopic, and I not understand. This is me trouble to understand. So I made this my math looks like the circle because as we know the covering circle is look like circle. So I choose the bubble math, and then I change later. I not use arrow to connect the math topic because I want to look like is covering cycle. You know, cycle is look like this. Okay, so next I put the some explanation. So which is where is the reaction occur, when is the reaction occur, and then what is happen in the reaction occur. So I put all everything, the product is produced, and then what is reaction occur, output and input before the start is covering circle. So that's why I choose my master, because my master is very convenient. So has a very template that student can make my math to understand, because my math is one of method to help a student to understand all topic to help your study and then your exam. So that's why I choose my master, and then I choose a bubble math template for this subtopic as a main topic to I explain more detail about this covering circle. So next, okay, So next, same goes for the topic 8, which is reproduction in animal. I also use my master because for me my master is very convenient. So I also choose bubble mat or for me in the my master bubble mat is very you must pay because the template in my master only have a little free, so you must to pay. But for me I choose a radial template, so I made a change in the radial template and then I put the floating topic and then I connect the arrow by relationship method. So it's like the bubble mat, but different is in the note. As we know, fertilization is very simple. That when I read this note, so I don't understand what is happen in fertilization. So I made a research, I made a refer by book. So I got very a lot of explanation about fertilization, and then I made on the my mat. So this come off the bubble mat. So I made this my mat flow out the by clockwise. So step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8 and step 9. So this picture I put from by book that I refer by. So I use scanner and then I insert this picture by the my mat because this my mat have a tool that we can insert the picture in we can insert the picture, insert the video, all about you need in happen in this my mat. So that's why I choose my master. So that's all from today. Thank you.